Hello friends, how are you all? Today I have spotted a very old, now it is very rare I think, the front engine Bajaj Autorickshaw. See, in 90s I used to travel in this type of auto rickshaws, but now it is very rare. See, it's a front engine autorickshaw. Engine side will be, I can't show you clear because it's in a scrapyard to scrapped. If someone interested, come and speak with the scrapyard people and buy it. It's in Manakad, Trivandrum. See the difference of the other auto and this auto. It's in the scrapyard now. Originally, I think it is sourced from Lambretta or Vespa like that. This auto rickshaw came in 70s or 60s like that. Now, I have a long time I have not seen this type of front engine auto rickshaws. Same like big auto rickshaw only.